easy, but this could increase our chances of getting pregnant by 19%.
Yeah, of course, absolutely. So how do we get it started? Dim the lights, put on some music.
Swallow 35 vitamins each.
Oh, cheers.
Oh.
Let's make a baby!
I probably should have had some water ready.
Okay, basal body temperature is up.
An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Los Angeles Police Department. On March 6, 2020, at 8 a.m., Reynaldo Gonzalez was abducted from Los Angeles, California. Reynaldo Gonzalez is a 4-year-old Hispanic male, 3 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 40 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. A sea-lotting description for Reynaldo Gonzalez is not known. Second victim, Cristina Gonzalez, is a 35-year-old Hispanic female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. A clothing description for Cristina Gonzalez is not known. The suspect is unknown at this time. The suspect was last seen driving a 2016 silver Toyota 4Runner, with California license plate number 7VGY615. If seen, call 911 or 877-LAB-247. If you have information concerning Reynaldo or Cristina, contact the Los Angeles Police Department at 213-486-680-911.
Let's do this quickly.
Oh, Amy, I'm not some faucet you can just turn on and off. You gotta romance me. Faucet's on, let's
Thank you.
Спасибо.
Okay.
До свидания.
Okay.